So the next geometry or the next model is seen in the screen right now. I have the drawing of it, and the views are arranged in the form of third angle projection. So if you're confused with the angle of projections, I recommend you to visit my another course on engineering design overview. So coming to third angle of projection, the view which is presented on the top is the top view of the component, and the view exactly below it is the front view of the component. So if we analyze the front view, we may observe the shaded region, the thick shaded thick shaded line is representing the front view of the model. So the front view is having a chamfer, and we have two hands. We can just assume as an assumption, the left hand and the right hand, and they have an arc in the base. We also have the extrusion depth of this component, and it is seen in the top view. You can see the top view of the component and the extrusion depth we can tell right now. So this particular edges are representing the chamfer, and we have a presence of hole on both the hands. You can see from the top view, the shaded circles are representing the hole, and in this particular view we can see that there are two circles. So the hole is not a single circular hole, it is a counter bore hole. That is the reason we are able to see the outer diameter of the first counter bore, then the inner circle, and we may observe light shaded lines over here. So these are representing the counter bore. So we have two on left side and two on the right hand side. We also have the distance of the counter bore, which is 11 mm, and the diameters of the holes are mentioned in the top view. So we may also notice that there are tolerances given to us: 100 plus or minus 0.2, 125 plus or minus 0.2. So we are not going to enter the tolerance value right now. I will be just entering the exact value of the dimension. By the end of the video, I will be showing you how to assign the tolerances as well. So let us start working on it and see how do we model it and how can we utilize the engineering features and create them on this particular model. So I'll just minimize it and I'll get back the Creo layout and work on it.